Digital transformation is reshaping the manufacturing industry as we move towards cloud-based applications and IoT solutions, which allow real-time statistics and analysis to better predict machine downtime, track performance, and anticipate maintenance needs. Makino is a global leader in metal cutting and manufacture technology. We build manufacturing tools for almost every vertical and offer a suite of IoT applications for electrical discharge machines, and it enhances users' experience and efficiency. We reduce machine downtime and enable shop managers and operators to monitor and control EDM processes. In order to meet the demands of our customers around the globe, we must synchronize massive amounts of data for our machine specs and schematics from our Tokyo headquarters to the tech center in Mason, Ohio. With our previous network, it would take between 6 and 7 hours daily to sync up connections between two locations. Most of the data transfers had to be done overnight.
If one of our employees came in and responded to a call from an end user who needed to order parts, what would happen is if that data transfer wasn't current, then we could give them bad data. We could commit to ordering something that we actually didn't have, and that caused delays in being able to service our customers.
Aryaka's global SD-WAN solution has provided Makino and our customers better and faster data transfer rates. We were able to provide our customers with machine tool information and pricing in a much faster rate. Instead of taking 6 to 7 hours to get that information from Japan, we were able to provide that to our customers within 20 minutes. We needed a carrier-type solution that could direct all traffic from remote locations fast to our North American headquarters without dedicated MPLS lines or reliance on old high-latency VPN technology.
Engineers at Aryaka went out of their way to understand our needs and how to address them. Once we received the devices in North America, we were up and running within 24 hours. Aryaka support's been outstanding, not only for site deployments, but as we work and evolve with our technology, we have a new solution that we're rolling out that uses real-time video cameras. And that vendor has never worked with an internet circuit of the likes of Aryaka. And they came away extremely impressed with how the Aryaka solution was able to handle the QoS requirements and needs of that real-time traffic.
With Aryaka, we were able to get twice the bandwidth for the same cost, coupled with a very rapid deployment cycle. Aryaka provided us with far more bang for our buck. We got faster connections for the same cost, increasing our capacity 3 times due to Aryaka's global SD-WAN technology.
The feedback we've received from executives has been very, very positive. The fact that we are able to provide that real-time data transfer between Makino in North America and Makino Tokyo in less than 30 minutes has increased efficiency significantly. The feedback has been exceptional.
We now have the infrastructure in place to handle the upcoming cloud migration and can deliver data and applications to every end user as if it lived in this local data center. Aryaka's SD-WAN is a global fast lane for all of our business applications.